Snappy here, doing another unboxing of McDonald's 25th anniversary Pokemon cards. And so check out the other videos and you'll see what I got. So this is technically what all Happy Meals come in. I popped out the ears, and so let's get into it. This one comes with a picture frame and this maze. So let's see what I get in my pack. I got a holographic Charmander, a Piplup, a Sobble, and an Oshawott. And the next one has a pack, another picture frame, and the same puzzle. Holographic Mudkip, Snivy, Chikorita, and a Rowlet. So I think I got some pretty good ones, and so Snappy out.